Hello everyone. Recently, I had the opportunity to attend an event on software quality assurance, and now I would like to share my review on this event. And first of all, the event was well organized and focused on the initial testing methods and automation practices. The speakers introduced different types of tools, frameworks, and best practices that are very essential for ensuring software quality. And what I found most helpful was the way they described the topics very clearly, and also they are give different types of practical activities experience that are related to the real life projects. The another highlights of the event was the interactive discussions and hands-on activities. And the sessions encouraged us to share our experience, and these types of approaches made the events both engaging and practical. Overall, the experience helped me strengthen my understanding as a QA, especially areas in automation testing and what bug reporting very nicely. And overall, finally, the event helped improve to continue my learning and improve my profession. Thank you.